McKinney is two cities in one. Around the historic downtown square, homes sit on plumbing that has been patched more than once. A few miles north in Stonebridge Ranch in Trinity Falls, the builds are 20 years old at most, and their first pipes are just starting to fail. Under every one of those homes is Blackland Prairie clay. It swells after rain and pulls tight in a drought, and the water lines set in your slab flex right along with it. That is why slab leaks show up on our McKinney calls almost every week, old house or new. Wilson Creek, Stover Creek, Honey Creek, the East Fork Trinity, they all run through McKinney, and a hard storm can push any of them into the low ground nearby. We show up with truck-mounted extractors and pull the standing water fast, whether it came from a creek or a burst line under the tile. Extraction only gets you halfway. We bring in air movers and dehumidifiers and work the structure until a moisture meter says it is dry all the way through, past what you can feel by hand. Skip that step in a Collin County summer and mold moves in within a day or two. We work out of Dallas, a straight run up US 75, and we cover every part of McKinney, historic square to Craig Ranch, 75069 through 75072, plus the rest of Collin County. Day or night, a real person answers. Call Water Damage Restoration Dallas at 469-804-9910.